Welcome to Free to Cook. In this episode, we're going to be throwing together some potato sticks. They're the perfect change of scenery for those who might be a little tired of seeing the same old hot chips on the plate. Let's begin by peeling the potatoes. Make sure to save your potato skins because we have a great recipe where you can make potato skin fries. Follow this by chopping them into smaller pieces. This will help them to cook quickly. Put the taters in the pot, season with salt, and boil for 20 minutes. Test that they're cooked through. A fork should pass through them with little resistance. Drain the pot and then mash the potatoes until they're a really fine texture. Once they're creamy smooth, and a pinch of salt. A half a teaspoon of garlic powder. Add 100 grams of corn flour. Work it around until it forms a dough. Place in a ziplock bag and knead until it's about 1.5 centimetres thick. Then go ahead and chuck it in the freezer for 10 minutes. This will allow it to firm up and make it easier to cut. Remove carefully from the ziplock bag. I like to cut along the edge of the bag to maintain that flat shape easily. Slice the potato mix into sticks. Next, we're going to heat some oil in a frying pan to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius. And cook until they become deliciously golden brown. Season with salt and serve with mayo or your choice of sauce. And there we have it, potato sticks. They're incredibly easy to make and an enjoyable snack that will surely be snatched up quick. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to subscribe, like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and if you have any recipe suggestions, leave them in the comments.